Itzy Sealed Wet Bag with Adjustable Handle by Itzy Ritzy is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper wet bags products. The Itzy Ritzy WBMH 8324 Travel Happens Sealed Wet Bag is the best way to store and travel with wet or dry items while still being fashionable. Each bag comes in a cute pattern and has a 100% cotton exterior. The lining is water-resistant and BPA and PVC free. A zipper closure prevents leaks and odors from getting out of the bag while it contains wet or liquid items. It can be used in a diaper bag for cloth diapers or while traveling to store toiletries or cosmetics. Machine washable. Line drying is recommended. Itzy Ritzy reusable wet bags are perfect for separating wet items while keeping the rest of the items in your diaper bag dry. The manufacturer's wet bags are also perfect for keeping in your beach bag for wet swimsuits or towels, in your gym bag for used workout gear, in your suitcase for toiletries while traveling, or for keeping odors from dirty diapers contained. The adjustable handle of the wet bag snaps open and closed, making it easy to attach to other bags, strollers, or the back of the seat in your car. The manufacturer's wet bags are water-resistant with sealed seams, and include a zipper closure and thick polyurethane interior. The manufacturer's medium wet bag measures 11 inches by 14 inches, machine washable in cold water with light colors. Line drying is recommended.